students, from today we are going to start exercise 5.1 and question number 2 is write first four terms of the AP if the first term and common difference are given here. In first part, A equals to 10, it means first term equals to 10 is given, and common difference, it means D is given equals to 10, and we have to write first four terms of that AP. Student, as we learnt in previous video also, the general form of an AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. This is the general form of an AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So with the help of the general form, we can easily find the first four term of that AP. So here A is the first term, and what is the value of A is given here? 10. A equal 10. Next term will be A plus D. It means value of A is 10 and the value of D is also 10. 10 plus 10, what we will get? 20. First term equals to 10 and second term we will get 20. Now we will find third term. Third term, according to this general form, third term is A plus 2D. The value of A is 10. 2 into within bracket value of D, it means 10 equals to 10 plus 2 tens are 20. 20 plus 10, we will get 30. This is the third term of this AP. Now we will find fourth term. Fourth term, A plus 3D. A is 10. 3 into within bracket 10 equals to 10 plus 30, we will get 40. So the four terms of this APs are, first is 10, second is 20, AP will be, third is 30, and fourth term is your 40. So we can find the AP. Now we will simplify for this second one also. Here A, it means first term is minus 2 and common difference is D. Again we will write the general form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. Now we will substitute the values. A, it means minus 2, it is given that A plus D equals to minus 2 plus 0, we will get the same value, minus 2. A plus 2D equals to minus 2 plus 2 into 0. Again we will get minus 2 because 2 into 0 we will get 0, and minus 2 plus 0 we will get minus 2. Next is your A plus 3D. Minus 2 plus 3 into 0. Again we will get 3 into 0, 0, and when we will add with this minus 2 we will get minus 2. So the AP will be here, since common difference is 0, so we will get the same number, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, and so on. Third part of this question is A equal 4 and D equal minus 3. We will find the four terms of this AP. First term will be A because it is given here A equal 4. Second term A plus D, value of A is 4, value of D is minus 3. We will write this value within bracket because the value of D is negative here. Then we will simplify this bracket, plus minus minus 3, answer is your 1. So the second term is 1. A plus 2D equal 4 plus 2 into within bracket minus 3. Let's simplify this, plus minus minus 2 3s are 6. And 4 minus 6 we will get minus 2. This is the third term. A plus 3D equals to 4 plus 3 into minus 3, which is equal to 4, plus minus minus 3 3s are 9, we will get minus 5. This is the fourth term of this AP. So what we will get? AP will be 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5, and so on. This is the AP, and these are the first four term of this AP. Fourth question is a equals to -1 and d equals to 1 upon 2. Let's simplify for this also. A equal -1, this is the first term. Second term, a plus d -1 plus 1 upon 2. Student, here -1 plus 1 upon 2. This is the fraction part. For simplifying this, we will take LCM. LCM will be 2. Then cross multiplication, -2 plus 1. And what we will get? We will get -1 upon 2. This is the second term. Now similarly, we will find third term. A plus 2. A plus 2d. Here the value of a is -1. 2d, it means 1 upon 2. As you can see here, student, this 2 is cancelled with this 2 and we will get -1 plus 1, which is equals to 0. So the third term of this AP is 0. Fourth term, a plus 3d -1 plus 3 into 1 upon 2. We will get -1 plus 3 upon 2. Now we will take again LCM. LCM will be 2. -2 plus 3, which is equal to plus minus 3 minus 2, 1 upon 2. So the four terms of this AP are -1, -1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. Fifth part of this question is a equal -1.25 and d equal -0.25. So here first term is your -1.25. Second term, a plus d -1.25 plus within bracket -0.25. Student, first we will simplify this bracket. -1.25 plus minus 0.25. Minus plus. Now we will add this -1.25 and 0.25. 1.25, 0.25. 5, 5, 10, 5. What we will get? We will get 1.50. And since bigger number is negative, so our answer will be negative. Second term is -1.50. Then we will find third term, a plus 2d. The value of a is -1.25, 2 into -0.25. Next, -1.25 as it is, plus minus. Now we will multiply this 0.25 by 2. 0.25 by 2. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry 5, and after 2 places we will put this point and we will get 0.50. Now again minus plus, we will add this 1.25, 0.5 and we will get 1.75 and answer will be negative, -1.75. Similarly student, we will find fourth term also. And fourth term, a plus 3d -1.25 plus 3 into -0.25. Okay, simplify this. -1.25 as it is, plus minus. Now we will multiply this 0.25 by 3 and what we will get? 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6 and 7 point -0.75. Now we will add these two because minus plus and answer will be negative 1.25, 0.75. 5 plus 5, 10. Yes, 2.00. This is our fourth term. So for this AP, first four terms are -1.25, -1.50, -1.75 and -2.00 and so on. But these are the first four terms. Question number 3 of this exercise is, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. For this particular questions, we have to find the first term, it means A, and common difference, it means the value of some small d. So we will start. As you can see here, student, in this AP, first term is your 3. You can see in this AP, your first term is 3. So the first term, the value of A is here 3. Now we have to find the common difference. It means the value of D. Student, as we know, if we subtract from this second term, from the first term, what we will get? We will get the common difference. So here, your D will be A2 minus A1. In this series, this one is your first term, this one is your second term, this one is your third term, and this one is your fourth term. So when we subtract this 3 from the second term, we will get common difference. Here second term is your 1 and first term is your 3. So our answer will be plus minus minus 2. Minus 2 because bigger number is negative. So for this given AP, first term is 3 and D is your minus 2. Let's solve for this second part also. Here you can see, here the first term is your minus 5. Now we will find D. For D, we will subtract first term from the second term. Here the second term is your minus 1. This minus sign as it is. And first term is also negative. So we will use here bracket. Within bracket minus 5. And we will get minus 1, minus minus plus 5. Plus minus minus 5 minus 4. What we will get? We will get 4. So for this AP, first term is your minus 5 and D is 4. Third part of this question is 1 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 9 upon 3, 13 upon 3 and so on. As you can see here, first term is your 1 upon 3. And for finding the value of D, we will subtract 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. As you can see here, student, both the fractions are like fraction. So denominator we will write as it is, and in numerator what we will write? We will write 5 minus 1. Why? Because the denominators are same. In case if denominators are different, in that case we will first take LCM, then we will simplify. So what we will get? 5 minus 1, it means 4 upon 3. So for this particular question, A is your 1 upon 3, it means first term, and common difference D is 4 upon 3. Now we will solve fourth part. Here you can see first term is 0.6. For finding the value of D, we will subtract 0.6 from 1.7 and subtract this 1.7 minus 0.6. Or student, at the time of subtraction, be careful. This decimal point will comes after this decimal point. Now we will subtract 7 minus 6, 1 and 1. So common difference is 1.1. So for this particular question, the value of A is 0.6 and the value of B is 1.1.